everyone, my name is Krishna Godore from Batch D. Today I am here to group discussion on the topic of child labor. I think the child labor takes place when the children under the age of 14 years or below do the dangerous work. I think it is not a child labor.
Yes, I agree with you. If we talk about the child labor, mostly in the we can see in the villages like parents force to their children to do the work and earn the money.
I agree with you, and according to me, the child labor is not good. When the age of studying the children to do the work, it is very dangerous for their future life. And according to me, they should study. They don't do the child labor because it is a becomes very dangerous for their future.
I agree with you. If we talk about child labor, then we cannot forget the poverty. Poverty is the main reason behind the child labor. When the parents do not have much money, then they force their children to earn the money, and because of it, it increases the child labor so much.
Yes. I agree with Krishna. Due to increasing poverty in India, so the children are being forced so much to work on the road and in the restaurant.
It is not only the cause of the population. It is not only the cause of poverty. It is also cause of the population. When in India is the most populated country in the world, and if the population likely increases day by day, then we have to with poverty and child labor in the world.
Yes, I agree with you. When the child do the child labor, so he have to do the work whether he is ill and suffering from some injuries. So that's why I think the child labor is not good.
I agree with you. I think the kidnapping is also the biggest reason, because people kidnap the children below the age of 14 and force them to work to beg, and they damages their body parts, by which some people give him back, and because of it child labor increases.
Yes, I agree with you. It is happened in the cities. While because then when the child go to another city for the study and earn the money, and sometimes the people kidnap the student and press him to do the work for me.
I think there are many children who has lost their childhood because of the child labor. Because in the childhood children should play and study, but the children have to work on the road and in the restaurant. It is not good for children's future as well.
I think the cause of the child labor is that they are the mainly poverty, lack of education, unemployment, and population. That's why we India should work on the unemployment and decrease the population. That's why nowadays the government also pass the law like the family can burn only two child. That's why India also work on the child labor.
I agree with you. The child labor is also divided in many types. Like the first type is domestic work, and in agriculture work, and industry work, and hotel work. I think in the domestic work, children do the work in the other's home and earn the money. And in the agriculture work, children forced to do the work in the fields, by which they can get the money. And in the industry work, they do many harmful work like coal mining and other things, which is very dangerous for the children.
I think children is the future of any country, and if the children will not be good, then the future of any country will also not be good. So it is also important for the children to be educated, because their children, their upcoming generation have also need education. So that is why the children should also be educated.
Yes,
I agree with you.
Because of the child labor, many type of children lose their education, and we can see in the Article 24 where every children has to freedom to study, and because of the doing child labor in an underage, the students lost their education and they don't grow up.
First of all, I don't agree with you, because in Article 24 it is not written that. In Article it is written that Article 21A. That's why you are wrong here.
I agree with you. In the Article 24, it prohibits the children who is under 14 year below the 14 years, they prohibit their work in dangerous places like coal mining and other things.
When we talk about the children's future, if the children will do the work on the road, so their upcoming generation will also have to follow this, because their parents will not be educated and they could not give them as much good education, because of which they can go on high post and glorify their parents' name.
I think the child labor is harmful for children because it distracts the physical and mental development, and along with it interferes with their education as well.
I agree.
So that's why they are unable to study.
I agree with you. It also affects the health of children. Like mostly the child labor children is suffering from malnutrition. It is very dangerous for the children below the age of 14.
Yes,
I
agree
think
with you.
if any child work that because of the food, that's why we should work on the poverty. If the India success in the decrease of poverty, then we don't have to see the child labor.
Yes, I agree with you. If we talk about the child labor, and it mostly happen in the poor, when the children don't study, and then in the future, in that children future, we can see that children will also remain poor because they don't get proper education.
According to me, we don't forget that in the place the parents of the children are not as much as educated as they force their children that the children what the children want to, because you have seen that many children wants to singer, wants to dancer, but they could not become dancer and a singer because their parents dream that you become a IAS and you qualified the UPSC exams, and it is not that the students study with their wish, and according to me, because of that they are weak, and in the future they don't want to study and they want to do the work for survive their family, and this is not good for a person.
The mostly child labor is in hotels and dhabas. Then hotels and dhabas owner is hired the big person. Then person gives us a lot of money, and the hotels and dhabas manager in hire the children, but children has to take the less money. That's why
I agree with Utkarsh. Nowadays, the India is a populated country, and India also people also made our homes. Then we need a labor. If we hire the big labor, then we have to give the 300-400 per day. But if we hire the small child, then we have to give only 100 and 200 rupees. That's why the thinking of the people that we have to spend lots less money than they hire the child. That's why it is also spread the child labor.
I agree
agree
with you.
with
Because
you.
of it, we can see that the total number of child labor in the world, then it is 160 million. It is a large amount, and it is increasing because of the thinking of people and poverty and lack of education.
According to me, we government also try to stop the child labor because by the schemes like SSA, that scheme help to the children for the education, and they teach to every student for free, not pay the not demand any type of the fee.
I think you are right here because the child labor is prohibiting in India as well, like the Mumbai, Delhi, and Lucknow as well. So that's why the child labor, given this situation, the child labor are banned by the government as well.
I agree with the government also started the Act Jubilant Justice Act in 2015. It imposes the punishment of child labor because the owner of the hotel, then if a child commit any mistake, then they beat that, and because of this act it imposes that.
Suppose a child's dream is to be an army officer, and because of the child labor, the child dream are also being break. being broken because the child labor interfere in the education, and because of which the dream of every children is also destroyed because of the child labor.
Not only future but also the child labor snatch their childhood because it is the little age, so that's why it is the age of playing and studying, not doing the work outside.
According to me, if we want to glorify our country name to whole world, so it is our responsibility to stop the child labor. So we can try to give to poor person education, food, and way of income. Way of income to the families. If the person of the family earn the money, so the child should never earn the money by the child labor. I agree with you, but according to me, Indian government is also trying to stop the child labor by the scheme of NCLP. It is help to children to withdraw from the work to and provide him good education, food, and many other things which they demand.
I agree with you. I agree with you, and you have seen that in the government schools, if any student study there and they are good in study and they want to study in their future and becomes a worthy people for their to run our country, and the government give him scholarship and these all things facilities give them which he can study properly.
I agree with you. Not only Indian government, but international. But there are many other countries who also stop and oppose the child labor. So there are many international schemes to oppose the child labor, such as UNIFES. It states that it supports the program to protect the child and their education, and the other scheme is Sustainable Development Goal 8.7. In this, it aims to stop the child labor in all form in the 2025. So there are also many schemes in international that oppose the child labor. So we can also get to know that how child labor is dangerous for children.
And I think the child labor uplifts the injustice in the society as well. And it's my firm belief that it makes for the children tough to get a good job in the future and a living standard.
I think in future, according to me, in future India destroy the child labor because in 2027 the India go to the census in the India, and it's passed in the parliament. That's why if the census are happen, then we will know how many child labor in the India. Then India also work on the how to destroy the child labor in the India.
Yes, I agree with you. If we talk about we can see many type of places where the dealers deal of the children and they export the children to kidnap by the help of kidnapping, and they export the children from one country to another country to do the work.
First of all, how to stop child labor. There are many ways to stop the child labor. First, promote the education. Second, provide the food facility for the poor and provide a good facility to the poor. Then India definitely reduce the poverty and child labor in the world.
Yes, I agree with you. I want to add one more thing. If we aware every type of person, so I think that child labor is reduced.